Hello, and welcome. Quick introduction. I am Matt Drangler. I'm the head of partnerships here at Podscribe. Great to meet you. I'm here to introduce a new feature that just got launched on the Podscribe website. It's called the Mass Publisher Email feature. It solves a lot of problems that a lot of our customers were saying plagues them to the tune of 10 hours a week. So let's talk about it a little bit. If you find yourself spending 10 hours or more a week ensuring that pixels get sent to the correct publisher, or even that you are spending a lot of manual time figuring out which pixels need to be sent, or whether or not you've actually sent pixels to the publishers. This feature is for you. It should help take that 10 hours of ad ops time and reduce it down to minutes. So let's talk a little bit about what that is. So first of all, when you first log into the dashboard and you are greeted by the By Campaign screen, if you're an agency, you want to ensure that you're selecting the appropriate advertiser. If you are an advertiser, you can go ahead and move forward. What you're looking for is within the delivery section under Issues, Tracking Not Set Up. That is one of the many flags that we have available. And in order to initiate the sending of pixels, you click on the email publisher tracking request icon here, which pulls up our mass publisher sending email feature. And here's what you'll notice. For a given brand, all of the publishers that need to be sent pixels will be listed here. Within these publishers, within each one of these publishers, there's an email or multiple email addresses associated with those publishers. Those are the folks that need to actually receive the pixels themselves for the upcoming campaign. Now, we're usually pretty good about knowing who those people are. That being said, if the wrong people are in here or if nobody is in here, go ahead and click on this little pencil edit icon right here. You can add, remove, whatever you need, and then click save when you're done. If there are any of these in here that don't have an email address associated with them, go ahead and click the plus, insert the correct contact, and hit save. And now my email address or the correct email address for that person is going to be in here. The final thing that you may want to spend a little bit of time doing is looking at the show campaign section here and ensuring that the correct ad server is selected for a given show. We're really good at having this information already, but if something shows up where it doesn't have an ad server, it will show up with this icon right here. You'll go ahead and click that and select the appropriate ad server. If you don't know which ad server is correct, reach out to our team, adops@podscribe.com, and they'll go ahead and help you out there. So let's say you've set this all up. You've got all the correct email addresses in here. By the way, if you have to add new email addresses in here, we save those email addresses for future use. Okay, great. So now that we're done with that, go ahead and click on the next button. So this is now the email that you're going to send to each of the individual publishers. I like the template today. We are asking folks to either place an RSS prefix or to use the attached pixel. This will send out the correct pixels to the correct publishers automatically for you. Ensure within the reply to section that is the correct email. So that way, if any publishers have questions and they reply, it gets back to you, the person who is actually requesting this. And then go ahead and click the next button. And this is then just the preview. The preview will give you an understanding of what it's going to look like when it's received. If it feels good, go ahead and select email publishers, and that's it. It will automatically then email out to everybody. And next time you go in here, you'll be able to see whether or not they've been emailed. This will say yes instead of no. And you'll have a really nice sort of record of what you've done. So that's the new mass publisher email feature. Should remove or reduce the amount of operational time being spent on sending pixels out to publishers. Thank you very much. And please reach out if you've got any feedback or if you have any additional features you'd like to add to this. Because we're trying to make this simplify your day-to-day processes when managing any sort of pixel-based attribution for podcast or audio media. So thank you.